This is going to be a video product review of the Avery multi-use labels. They are removable. Some people say that they are not removable on glass, or they might not come off easily on glass. 5 labels per sheet, 1 inch by 3 inch, 250 labels to a package. And the package cost, what, $3.30, 29 cents, $3.29. There it is. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 labels to the sheet, as I just said. So let me tell you what they say about this wonderful Avery label. Removable labels that stay only as long as you want them to. And as I said, a lot of the reviews say they are removable, and many reviews say they are not removable on certain items, even though they claim they are. Customized with free template at Avery, so that means that you can print, you can go online and get the template, and you should be able to print out on the labels from Word or any other program, compatible with laser and inkjet printers. So some labels will smear if you don't buy the right label. The ink will smear. These will work on inkjet or laser. Not recommended for use with color laser printers, so that's something to be very aware of. The Avery number is 5436. The labels are 1 inch by 3 inch. And the price, you can't beat the price. There are some other labels out there that are a little less expensive. I mean, come on, $3.29. How much cheaper can you get? But, or how much more inexpensive can you get is what I'm trying to say. So for the price, you can't beat it. Why did I buy these? Because I need to put labels on certain things. I have lots of checkbooks. I have accounts for me, I have accounts for my mom, I've got different checking accounts for a bunch of people that I take care of, help them out, and I just need to have some labels on the checkbooks now on the outer package so I know what I'm doing. I might be moving one of these days. I'm trying to organize. I've got lots of products that I bought on Amazon, lots of different things around the house, and yeah, you can take a Sharpie marker and a piece of cardboard and make a label, but this is really a good way to do it. Hopefully it comes off. Again, it says it's removable. We'll find out. On certain items, as I said, it's not removable. So I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. If you click on that link, it will take you over to Amazon and you can pick this up. And even if you don't want to buy this, if you click on that link before you do your Amazon orders, it will definitely help me out. Do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. If you want to support my channel, ask for my PayPal info. And thanks for watching. I'm happy I bought these. I held off buying these for a long time, but I thought, come on, at this price, just do it, get it done, and I'll be happy. And I'm happy.